Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google search tips and tricks. And in today's video, I will show you how to Google search free PSD template from any type of design as you might think of. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is come to your address bar right here. Go ahead and type in, let's say for instance, you are looking for church flyer, church flyer, PSD, PSD template, free, hit enter. Then it's going to open up like so. Then you have so many websites for this particular keyword right here. How do you get more as this is concerned? Go ahead and click on images right here. Under the images right here, then you have all these as templates right here. Okay, from different websites as the case. So right here from different websites. So here we have one from FreePick. Right click on it, open link in a new tab. Then that is for FreePick. Then we have another one, PSD Design. Right click on it, open in the new tab. Then we have another website right here. Right click on it, open in the new tab. We have another one right here. Right click on it, open in the new tab. Then scroll down right here. We have another one right here. Right click on it, open in the new tab. And we have another one right here. Right click on it, open the new tab. So the more you scroll down, the more you see different websites that present the keyword template right here. Let's say for instance you are looking for Procure PSD template. Just come to the top right here. Go ahead and type in Procure. Then Procure PSD template, hit enter. Then you have all this right here. So we have one from FreePick. Right click on it, open a new tab. You can open as many as possible different websites. Then you can go ahead and check on the web page right here. So just like what you see right here, this particular website, Church Flyer PSD template right here. So you can see all the templates right here. Now, how can you get some of the free templates? Go ahead and click on license right here, switch to free, and then in a few seconds it's going to refine and show you some of the free PSD templates right here, just like what you see right here. So these are free PSD templates. You can read detail as far as this is concerned. You can edit with AI, use interface, etc. So if you want to get any of the PSD right here, so simply click on the image right here, and then you can see you might also like this PSD template on here, and then you see more tools right here. So for you to download, just go ahead and hit on download right here from the top right here. Click on here, then go ahead and click on PSD file. Don't make the mistake to download the JPEG. So make sure you download PSD file. So let's go ahead and take a look at another website. So this another website right here, psd.design. You can see the website URL. So we are landing right here. So here you can see the file is PSD and it is 100% free, compatible with Photoshop. Just go ahead and click on download. Then we can take this opportunity to explore different templates from the site. For that, go ahead and click on print right here. You have flyer template, brochure template, magazine template, etc. Business card template. If I click on business card template, you're going to see a lot of templates in this particular website right here that relates to business card. Everything depends on the kind of template you choose as far as this site is concerned. Let's quickly take a look at another site. So this website here is also offer a free PSD template for church flyer, just like what you see right here. So you can see the file type is PSD and the resolution is 300. You can also explore and check some of the other free templates from the site, such as print design right here. Get to print design, then you have some of available PSD templates right here. Let's take a look at another website right here. So this is another one right here, freepsdflyer.com. So on getting to this page here, they have about a lot of different type of templates that you can use right here, such as free birthday flyer, club flyer, etc. Let's take a look at another one right here. So this one right here, freepsdflyer.com is the same as this one right here. So another one here, freecreative.com. So here there are a lot of templates right here you can easily get for free. So as you can see, these are free download PSD. It's compatible with Photoshop, MS Word, InDesign, Illustrator. So these are what you can get as far as when you download any of this file, and it is all for free. So you can come to the top right here, you can see free printable party flyer, free party flyer template, everything here are free. Let's take a look at the last website right here. So the very last website here is freepik.com, and then which is for Procure. Make sure you select PSD when you want to download. Click on PSD right here. You can see so many options. When you click on PSD template, go ahead and click on license right here. Choose free license. This will filter all premium, and then it's going to show you only free Procure right here. You can see two-fold Procure, three-fold Procure templates that you can easily download and use for design. It's that simple. So this is how to Google search free PSD template. For more useful tutorial about how best to use your Google search right, please consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.